right, back to business. We're going over to Richard Southern at 680. Richard, and I know we're still kind of reeling from the takeoff of Bitcoin.
Yeah, I mean, it's the talk of the morning, I think, Melanie, with Bitcoin, the digital currency, crossing for the first time ever 10,000 U.S. dollars. It's been straight up for the so-called cryptocurrency. If you're looking to buy one of them, it's going to set you back more than 13,000 Canadian dollars. It's up a whopping 750% this year. Just a year ago, one Bitcoin was trading for around $750. There's a lot of optimism surrounding the currency. It's being more widely accepted. You know, back in 2010, 2 pizzas were sold in the U.S. for 10,000 Bitcoins. That was just $10 at the time. Today would be $100 million. There's a lot of risk here, though. Of course, this is, in many ways, a classic asset bubble. So tough to know what's going to happen with Bitcoin, but there it is, above $10,000 this morning. As far as stocks are concerned, Wall Street hitting a record high last night, and Dow futures are up 60 points this morning. Traders brushing aside any worry there may be about North Korea, focusing instead on U.S. tax reform, which is progressing nicely. Just coming in here in the last few minutes, Royal Bank reporting fourth quarter earnings better than expected, a profit of $2.8 billion. So we'll keep an eye on RBC stock on Bay Street. Uber, meantime, is facing a U.S. federal probe on espionage allegations. And some cloak and dagger stuff allegedly going on here at Uber. American prosecutors investigating allegations that Uber used an espionage team to steal trade secrets from its rivals. Apparently, allegedly, at least hiring some former CIA agents to surveil other companies. Of course, Uber already reeling from a massive data breach. Finally, how about this one this morning? SodaStream says you can now turn water into wine using its device. If you're not familiar with this, it's been this device for a couple of years has allowed consumers to turn regular tap water into glasses of pop. Now, though, you can turn water into sparkling wine. The company announcing the release of a limited edition project called Sparkling Gold, which is a new alcoholic concentrate, 10% alcohol. Apparently tastes like French champagne. Each bottle makes 12 glasses of wine. I think we're going back to Adam Wild. Adam, we might never leave the house now that we have this SodaStream wine contraption. This is bad news for radio guys like us.
It is. Richard, I have trouble leaving the house as it is anyway, so this would just make it worse. You're absolutely right. But 12 glasses of wine, that's not bad.
Sounds like a great Saturday night. Yeah.